Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love smart dolls. I have them in cinnamon, tea, coffee, cocoa, black navy, blue, and green. I did not have a milk. Guess what? I am so blessed to have, well, so many things. I now have a milk, and we're going to get him out of the box. I now have two boys. Such a big deal. Such a big deal. My little coffee boy, this is Take on Me. I call him Gray Sky. I like him more than I thought I was going to like a boy doll. I really do. And I was waiting for a tea, but this milk came up called Another One Bites the Dust, who I will call Dusty. And Darren and I talked about it, and I just really decided I wanted him, and we bought. And it wasn't, there were five up there, there were five up there that sold, and then Danny put five more up, and we talked about it until there were two left. We bought, and the other one sold right behind this one. And he hadn't listed any more since.
No, he did.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. He
It was
did list.
we bought in the, well, we don't
Yeah,
know.
you're right.
I think we bought in the first five, but it's
No,
hard
second
to say.
five. We bought the second five. Well, no, wait a minute.
It was the first
It
five.
was the first five.
But he may have added two before
Yeah.
we were watching. So.
Yep, he may have added. Anyway, I am delighted to not only have another boy, but to have a milk. He's not as white as I thought he would be.
No, he
is
not much shades.
I don't see a difference, really. Not a big difference.
No.
From cinnamon. Huh. I thought it'd be a lot different. I mean, it is lighter.
Yep,
I mean,
it is
without
lighter.
a doubt. Let's look at the legs. Without a doubt, it is lighter. But I thought it would be more light. But you know what? I don't care. He does have that very, very soft, what is it called? I can never think what it's called. The type of, yep.
Sofubo? Or...
Yep. Let's get a wig on him, and I want to show the clothes I made for him. I've been sewing for my boys. I got him this outfit made before he came. I found this in the baby department for $1. It was a baby t-shirt, and I turned it into a Smart Doll Boy t-shirt. I used Danny's pattern for a t-shirt. I am going to remake this a little looser. I like them a little more loose. These two are not, if you have your eyebrows raised, they're not. They are riding on a surfboard on water, and that's what lizards do. They stand on top of each other. I've been making some items. I made both of my boys a pair of underpants or stain stopper pants. And I used this really fun, light, flowy fabric. And I did not, well, I did finish the edge. I zigzagged and I only turned it over once, top and bottom. I'm not adding a waistband or a snap or anything so that this can fit under any pair of pants. These are long, by the way, longer than you would make pants, so that they can tuck inside of but cover everything. These pants that I made are from a pair of jeans a friend gave me, and they've been washed and washed and washed, and they're lighter colors, so I feel pretty safe with those. I made Gray Sky, who is my Take on Me Tom. I made him these jeans. I like these jeans. I want to make them again. I bought him some hands. I bought him some boots. Aren't these the cutest? Little waffle boots, we used to call these. Desert boots is what they were.
Ass kickers is what we called them.
Is it? Yeah. And he had, that isn't equal. That's a weird hat. And if your name is Dusty, you definitely need a cowboy hat, but I can see this one needs some work. and a hat band. But that's my boy, and these are the colors. And now I need a yellow and a gray, and anything else Danny comes up with. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.